Hello, today I'm going to walk you through the process of formatting the tables to meet the specific stylistic requirements of our journal. Please follow these 3 steps carefully to ensure everything is processed correctly. First, we need to extract and verify the raw data. Please go to the copy edited version. That will be the file on the left right now. Copy all of the tables and paste them into a brand new Word document. Now we create a new Word document. Yes, call it original tables. Original tables. Yes. Yeah, like this. And let's find the tables. Where are they? Here, table 1. Let's copy. We can actually cut it. Okay, this is the table legend. Let's cut it. Okay, table 1. Oh, we can just cut them all together. Okay, now they're all here. Now we can close the copy edited version. Yeah, now we have these 3 tables, the original ones here. Once we have copied the tables, we can take a moment to carefully review the table contents and the table legends for any errors or inconsistencies. Also, please pay close attention to the formatting of numbers and units. Make sure you have inserted a narrow no-break space between every number and its corresponding units. Let's have a look. It looks alright. There's actually no number in the units. Yeah, looks fine to me. Okay. Next, we need to choose the right layout template. Let's see, for example, table 1 has a lot of rows, 3 columns. Actually, table 1 template should be fine. Okay, let's use the table 1 template then. So this file, layout tables, free neuropathology, yeah, this one, it should be the document on the right side. In this document, you will find several pre-formatted table templates with different structures. Look at the tables you have in your original tables, count their rows and columns, and find the templates that match the best. Add or delete some columns and rows if you need. For example, here, because we have 3 columns, so we add 1 column here. Yeah, then it will match the structure. And let's see, the second one has more columns. So for the table 2 and 3, maybe we'll need a template from this one. Yeah, but now I'm just showing an example. So I will delete, maybe not. Okay, I'll leave it like this. I'm just showing the example of table 1. Finally, it's time to transfer the data into the template. Make sure we don't ruin the journal's predefined styles. Please follow this specific pasting method. Go to Original Tables, Docs, select the data cells of your first table and copy them. Then go over to the template in Layout Tables, Free Neuropathology, select the corresponding destination cells right click and choose Match Destination Formatting from the Paste options. Please do not use the standard Ctrl V shortcut because that will override the journal's font, borders, and cell padding. We want to keep the templates look exactly as it is. If you try Match Destination Formatting and the result looks completely distorted or strange, don't panic. First, try hovering over the other paste options to see if they yield a cleaner layout. However, in the absolute worst case scenario, where Word just refuses to cooperate, you might have to use the safest method, copy the text and paste it cell by cell as plain text. It takes a bit more time, but it guaranteed to keep our template structure perfectly intact. Um, yeah, let's try this. I always find it kind of difficult with the table title. Um, Look, we have several paste options. One's nest table, it doesn't look good. This is inserted new rows. Oh, yes. Uh, oh, we saw it. Here. The second row. Now it's there. Insert as new row. Okay. Um, I think this is not working. This is just copying the font, not the background and stuff. So for the title, we need to copy it as plain text. Yeah, merge formatting. That is um, merge formatting. Regions assessed. Okay, now we have it. And the rest, let's copy it like this and see if it works. The first one is nest table. Looks messy. It says new rows. Keep text only. Keep text only is also not right. Well, sorry for that. For example, like this. Is this working? Why is this so? Oh, no, now we have a new option, override cells. This looks fine. The difference was if I put my mouse here and select them all, I think I selected the rows. But then if I do this, I select the cells. So let's make sure that we select from the left top to the right bottom, that we selected the cells, not the rows. Otherwise, we cannot copy them. Yes. So in this case, yeah, all the datas are here, but it's still, look, we left one row of our original, of our table template. They look kind of different, and so now we use the brush, the format painter, um, to make the data like how we need. And now we, after pasting, if we see any awkward text wrapping, like here, it's not optimal. We can slightly adjust the column width so everything looks clean, professional, and fits nicely. So for example, here, let's do it like this. And yeah, I think that's the best we can do. Here's a bit, what is this space? Is this normal? It's a huge space here. Hmm. I think it's in home paragraph. It should be here. Paragraph. Let me have a look. Tension, spacing, line spacing. At least single. Oh, now it looks good. Hmm. Walk through this together. Okay, the title is here. Okay, we copy it and use the merge formatting. Maybe not because it's, yeah, like this. Yeah, because the title should not be bold. If we merge the formatting, it will be bold again. And here it's already figure legend style. We can see it here. Oh no, it's not normal. It's normal. Okay. We need to change this line to figure legend, and then we copy the figure legend here. Okay. Okay, here's our figure legend. Copy, merge formatting. Okay, now we're done for table 1. Just repeat this exact process for all remaining tables and it's done. Thank you for listening. Let me know if you have any questions.